Hello all, welcome to Selenium Python Training Series. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate how to parameterize the steps. So let's get started. So how to parameterize the steps? So far, we have created these two scenarios in this search.feature file, right? But these steps in these scenarios are not parameterized. So how to parameterize? Parameterization means you can pass some value. Okay, for example, here I enter valid product into the search box field. Are we passing any product from this step? No, right? So how to parameterize? I'll just modify this step a bit. I enter valid product, say in double quotes, here I'll mention one product, that is say HP. Okay, like this I'll write. Now, this is an argument, okay? This is an argument that you are passing from this particular step to the implemented method here. Okay, in the step definition file, the associated thing is implemented, right? So I enter valid product. Okay, I enter this one. Here you can write down, say what is that in double quote. Here also we have the double quote. Here also we have to write the double quote. In the double quote, provide this curly braces. Okay, and just name something. Okay, just name it something like valid product, something like that. Okay, or you can say, yeah, valid product is fine, or product you can say anything is fine if the product, and this product you have to pass it here, product. Okay, now you can print this product here. I enter valid product. Here you can say double quote and say plus again double quote, and here write down product. Okay, I enter valid product name, whatever the product we got from this particular step, right? We are passing HP. HP from here will go into this part, and from here it will be passed here. From here it will get printed here. So let's see, let's run this and see whether this statement I enter valid product HP into the search box field is getting printed or not. And apart from that, one more scenario is there that also we can parameterize. I enter invalid product is there. Similarly, I write down say Honda. I'm passing Honda. Earlier I was not passing, now I am passing Honda. That Honda will go here. I enter invalid product, say. So here in place of Honda, write curly braces, whatever the value that you pass, right, that should be taken. Here also I'll say product or something and say comma product. And here I'll utilize the product, plus column, space, product. Here I'll say product. Okay, I'm passing this product here. That's it. Done. Now run the scripts and see what's happening. Let's go to the terminal and let's run the tests. Behave and features. Under the features package, we have this feature file. Run this. The previous session, we have implemented hooks, right? That's why the browser is launching and closing and all. You see already, you see, I enter valid product HP into the search box field. The print statement is like this, okay? It's working fine. We are able to parameterize the tests. This is what I called it as parameterization. Here also, you see, I enter invalid product Honda into the search box field. Whatever the product, if I change this HP to some other thing, that only will get printed, okay? That value will go into this method. That value will go into this particular method and will get printed here, okay? So, hope guys you understood how to parameterize the steps. Okay, this is a way to parameterize the steps. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye-bye.